This is like a salty family. Mom also is like tastes salty. So tell me, which one's better, this one or the first one? What? Hey guys, welcome to another cooking. Wait, there's motorbike. Welcome to another cooking vlog of Filipina life. And today I am going to try and cook pasta, which is a look online. I didn't follow all of the ingredients because I don't have those, so I just stick to the ingredients that I can combine with. So let's start and I'll show you what ingredients I am going to use. Okay, so this is what we got. This is like 8 cloves of garlic, and this is 4 pieces tomatoes, and this is 3 pieces of red onions, and this is supposed to be yellow onion or big kind of yellow onion, but we don't have those, so let's just stick to this. And then we have here some olive oil, salt, pepper, and tuna. It should be 2 cans of tuna, so we don't have 2 cans. I only have 1 can, and since we don't have 1 can, I add some shiitake mushroom, which is I chop it into like this. I think I can add shiitake. This is my first time doing this, by the way. We have here some cooked pasta, which is I boiled it for 7 minutes because we are going to cook it later. So let's start. Okay, so let's put some olive oil to cook the mushroom. So let's cook the mushroom first. It's getting dark. It's because I start the vlog afternoon. Okay, so let's cook this mushroom for about 2 minutes. So you can cook the mushroom into brown. Yeah, you can cook the mushroom into brown. Add some oil, which is 1/4 cup of olive oil. It's because this is pasta. And then put the onions, lots of onions. Cook the onions for 2 minutes. Okay, next let's put the garlic. You just have to be patient to chop all of this into small. Okay, next we are going to put the tomatoes. Lots of tomatoes, guys. Wait. Wow, there's mosquito. So this is it. Our tomato is ready. I decided to cook the tomato longer until it looks like a sauce right now. So it's super soft. Let's add the tuna. Smells so good. Let's cover it. So cook tuna for 2 minutes. Then let's add some salt. Okay, add some salt. Then pepper. So add gradually so that you won't make it like totally salty or totally with a lot of pepper in it. So it's better to add gradually since we don't follow cooking recipe or ingredients. And yeah, let's taste it. What? No. Try. No. So right now we are going to add our noodles. Wow, this is a lot. Wash with water there, oh. So let's try. Alay. It's good. Okay, so this is already good. Since we don't have much sauce in here, so we are just going to keep this one for tomorrow. Can I freeze it, right? So let's have this one tomorrow and then cook another kind of pasta. Yes. Okay. This is it, guys. My pasta. Ta-da! I'm going to call this pasta a tomato with mushroom and onions pasta. Something like that. Anyway, let's try. Ah, by the way, guys, I have swollen ears. Ear, only one. When I search online, it's part of pregnancy. I don't know why. And it's hard for me to open my mouth really big and eat. Ah, my gosh. I think it would be better if you put some olive oil. So next time, we are going to use vegetable oil to fry, and then let's just add olive oil for dressing. Right. Let's try one more. It's good. It's not that salty. There's not much pepper. It's just perfect for me. Okay, let's go room around and then ask their approval for this dish. So my sister's gonna try my dish. Nami?
Dami ko tabang.
Di mo ko himarat.
Okay raman.
You like salty? I don't like salty.
Okay lang para sa snack.
Mas ganan pa ko inana ating plada kaysa inyong ketchup nga. Tomato paste. Let's go for mom. Oh, let's go this one. Oh, come on, baby. You try. Yummy? That's it? No more? Hoy. More. Noodles naman na eh. Okay, you try.
Mushroom.
So, kinahanglan lagi effects. Ako abo ka naman hamoan.
Dami man.
Yummy, right? Not typical spaghetti that they made here. My sister said it's like not salty because she's like salty person.
Parehas may kung kuan. Tabangan gani ko.
Ay, marat sad ka? Marat pud sa tatay.
Labaw na to.
Yeah, this is like a salty family. Mom also is like tastes salty. Me, I like the medium, not that salty.
Yummy.
Just add some salt for your own plate. Gaya na hurot ng isa kakuan ay. Tatay's turn. Parat or tami? Parat or tabang? Tabang gyud. Yeah, they like salty. I just like the way it is right now. Bye. Most of them says that this is like unsalty because they like salted or salty kind of dish, but I like the way it is right now. And if you want to add some salt, then you just sprinkle with salt, right? By the way, my dad doesn't like to eat much of dessert. I mean, spaghetti is not a meal for us. Which is a meal for us is rice. This is kind of snack for us. So my dad doesn't really like any kind of snack or any sweet snacks, but he likes this one, so which is good. Spaghetti, Mai. Wag. Ray. Pagbuha ka mong duwang ba yan, ha? Gusto. I wanna eat, but it's too painful to chew. So I just decided to cook another kind of dish, which is spaghetti with Parmesan cheese. With this one, so this is kind of easy kind of pasta. So let's see, and then I'm going to make them taste it. Which one is better, the first one or this second one? And yeah, let's do it. Okay, first thing we do for the second dish, second pasta, let's put some 1/8 cup of vegetable oil, or you can put olive oil. And then next, let's put 1/8 cup of butter. Yes, until it's melted. Next, let's put the pasta. So I think this is about like 200 grams or 250 grams of pasta. Okay, so they are now separated to each other. Next, let's put some salt. Since they want it to be salty, let's try their salty kind of pasta. I mean, it's not salty, but for them it's just enough. For me, it's salty. Okay, just a half teaspoon of salt, and then let's add 2 teaspoons of black pepper. That's, by the way, ground pepper. Let's add some 4 tablespoons of water. Okay, we are done with this one, and then next, let's put some spaghetti sauce, which is Parmesan cheese. So since we want to measure, let's add gradually the sauce, which is the Parmesan cheese sauce. 1/8 plus 1/8 is equals to 1/4. So that's like 4 cups of Parmesan cheese. So let's add more. So that's like 8 cups of 1/8. Okay, so let's try. Oh. This is already good. You can add cheese if you want to. Okay, so let's add some cheese. Wow, lots of cheese. So this is my second dish with Parmesan cheese, and yeah, that's it. Olive oil, butter. That's it. This is so simple. So let's try and try to make them taste it. Which one is better, the first one or this one? Which is the first one is a complicated kind of pasta, and this one is a simple kind of pasta. I mean, not simple, but so easy. Okay, so let's mix. Tastes better with cheese. Macaroni mo for sale. So tell me, which one's better, this one or the first one? What?
No.
You like this one better? Really? Because it's cheesy? Wow, they like cheesy. That's kind of sweet type because it's so cheesy. Oh, seems like my sister likes it than the first one. Oh, she doesn't like it. She almost finished it. So tell me, which one's better, the first one or that one? I bet that one. The first one's kinda healthy kind with lots of seasoning. Number 2. Ungit na yun, di ka magsigisi. Oh, try this one some. This one is better? Wow. That one is better. You try some. No, it's not spicy.
It's not spicy.
Yummy.
Try.
Try, nanay, oh. That's super easy kind. So that's it. The winner is this one. But I like the first one. It's more healthy though. Rate, which one's better? The first one or this one?
This one.
This one? Oh, they like cheesy. Also this one, Rian?
Yes.
I like the first one too.
Oh yeah, the first one is... I like the first one. Okay, so this is gonna be the end of my cooking. And if you like this kind of video, if you want me to cook more often, like suggest a dish that you want to know down below. Let's just enjoy cooking. Yes. Oh, put in the sink there. Sink.
Yep.
Wash.
Yep.
This one? You want this?
No.
And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to reach the 50,000 K.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Subscribe.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Cute. Okay, so we have here, like I think, libang ka? Oh, libang sam daw. Umay.
When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago.